So I was asked recently, what's the worst snowstorm you ever been through? I'm gonna say by far last night was one of the craziest snowstorms I've been to. When I tell you, out here in Ohio, we received at least 8 inches last night. Oh my Lord, they still haven't finished cleaning all the stuff on the road yet. Look at it, I'm like literally driving on ice. We're coming live from Drive TV. We're just taking our time, man. The speed limit 55, I'm doing 40, I'm not playing no games. You don't want to play on this ice right here. Just have to take your time and keep coasting through. And we are out.